Look at that, doesn't that look amazing? So vibrant. Okay, so today we're going to be making beetroot, carrot, coconut milk, curry. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So nice and easy this one. So what I've got there is 2 cups of carrots, 400 ml of coconut milk, about 3 or just over 3 cups of beetroot, which is a fresh beetroot. What I've done is I've just peeled it and I've cut it into kind of like fries really. Cut it how you want. 1 cup of onion, fresh cilantro or coriander, curry leaves. If you can get these fresh, they're absolutely amazing. If not, try and get them dried. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and here we're just using the 3 powders today. We've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder, coriander and turmeric. So you're going to need a pot, large pan or something like that, and add some oil. I'm using coconut oil. You could use a different oil if you want. So I'm just going to melt that down, then I'll be back. We're on quite a high heat just now. So we're going to start off by dropping in our carrots and our beetroot. High heat, about 4 minutes. Just fry these guys around before we add any other ingredients. Okay, so these are frying really nicely. Next up, we're going to add in our fresh curry leaves. Our 1 cup of onion. Stay on this high heat as well. Let's get in our fresh chili. And now our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in jars, you know, ready-made in most stores, depending on where you live. Next up, we're going to drop in the turmeric, chili and coriander. I'm holding back today on cumin. Normally you'd get me putting the big 4 in, which would include cumin, which I'm just staying away from it today. Try and keep it nice and light, the flavors. And again, another 4 minutes or so. This time you're going to have to stir it all the time. Beautiful, really fantastic, really lush, beautiful aromas. Okay, 1 pint here of coconut milk. We're going to add a little bit of water, not too much. We're going to get in some salt to taste. We're going to lower the heat to medium, and we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We've nearly done it. It's delicious. Okay, look at that. Such a lovely, vibrant color from the beets. Okay, off goes the heat. Check it for salt. It's going to be good for me. Fresh cilantro, coriander, in it goes. Give that a little mix. That is beautiful. I'll get that on a plate for you. That is such a beautiful dish. I love the color of that. The flavors are fantastic. Really, really good. You can have that with some chapati, roti or some bread, a naan or something like that, or with some rice, or like me, just like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, guys. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. All right, thanks very, very much for making it to this part of the video and making it to the end of the video. Really, really appreciate all the views that we're getting. Just a little update. We're still living in the Kingdom of Bahrain. We're cooking like crazy. We're doing really well. If you want to subscribe, that would be fantastic. Helps us out a lot. Thumbs ups are great, and obviously a comment. If you've got a comment to make, I'll try and get back to you if I can. But yeah, life's pretty good. It's not so hot at the moment. It's kind of cooled down a bit. Bahrain is absolutely beautiful, and this part of the world is beautiful when it comes to winter. It's cooling down and it's lovely. See you later.